future brain tech, the next level of innovation.
Look at the size of that impact.
Affirmative. Proceeding to the rim.
Keep scanning, but stay back. Welcome back, Commander. Fantastic job. Secure the unit. Status report. Hostiles neutralized. The damage on the torso is worse than estimated. Analyze the structural integrity near the power conduit. Initiating deep scan.
Diagnostic analysis complete. System identifies severe structural fractures deep within the main chassis. Immediate repairs are required. Diagnostics complete. Powering up reactor. Stable output confirmed. Stand by for main systems initialization.
Direct heaters, the stress fractures are severe, beyond our instruments. The damage extends to the core completely locked.
Plasma burn, upper quadrant, coordinates 7 theta.
A deep gouge, likely energy impact. Documented.
Status remains green for structural integrity. Engaging sonic sweep on shoulder joint.
Initiating vibration at knee.
Power set to optimal frequency. Massive rust attachment detected.
Engaging hydraulic pressure.
Readings are stable.
Straightening is complete.
Excellent work.
Secure the bracing. We need a flush seal.
Got it.
Initiating well.
Shield is aligned. Initiate securing procedure.
Magnetic seals active.
Confirmation. Shield is attached.
Diagnostics are green.
The beast is ready.
Diagnostics complete. Synchronization achieved. Neural link is fully operational.
Sequence initiated. Power at 30%. Main systems online. It's working.
The core is active.
It's alive! We did it! The awakening is finally complete. The orbit beast has returned.
It's working!
We did it!
Oh my god!
He's online! Thank you!
Look at it! We did it!
After all these years, Orbit Beast is ready! We have witnessed a true miracle of science, transforming a rusted pile of scrap metal back into a magnificent warrior.